Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Have you all studied binomial theorem formula? Tell me once again what is formula? X plus a power n. What is the expansion? N C naught x power n a naught a power 0 plus n C1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square etc. What will be the last term? An. Similarly, have you all studied 1 plus x power n formula, 1 minus x power n formula, and what is term formula? T r plus 1. T r plus 1 equal to n c r x power n minus r a power r. Okay, so mainly we have to use this term formula, expansion formula, and one is finding the middle term formula. Okay, now we can get into the exercise. So already we completed exercise 2.6 first problem. So now your second problem, evaluate the following using binomial theorem. So we have to evaluate and using the binomial theorem, and your second subdivision is 999 the whole power 5. Now tell me, is it easy to calculate 999 the whole power 5 without calculator? No. And so here we can use the binomial theorem to get this expansion. Okay, now so we can get into the solution. So what is given? 999 the whole power 5. We have to expand this. So before expanding, we can rewrite this 999 as 1000 minus 1. What is 1000 minus 1? 999, correct? So 1000 minus 1 is 999 the whole power 5. Is that the question? And these are one and the same? Yes. Now can we use the formula x minus 1 the whole power n formula? Yes. So what is x minus 1 the whole power n formula? X power n minus nc1 x power n minus r a power 0 plus okay, here we know okay, I'll take the formula itself. X power n minus 1 n c2 x power, this is x minus 1 n minus 1, so x power n minus 2 a power 1 plus etc. up to etc. up to, and your last term is a power n. Okay, so formula x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 0 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 1 plus the last term will be a power n, correct? So we can use the okay, here a value is 1 only, no? So this is your binomial theorem. I can write the that formula, that is 1 plus x power n 1 minus x power n, that formula I can write here. Okay, so what is the formula? We can, okay, x minus 1 the whole power n. Okay, x minus n the whole power n equal to x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into 1 only. Okay, so no need to write that one. Okay, next plus alternate term minus plus, so plus nc2 x power n minus 2. A term வந்து 1 only, so no need to write that one, plus etc. The last term will be 1. Is that okay? Now we can use this formula for the expansion. 1000 minus 1 the whole power 5, and your expansion is, okay, uh, x power n minus 5c1 1000 power 4, 1 power 1 வந்து 1 power anything is 1 only, so no need to take that one. Okay va? Next 1000 power 5 வந்துச்சு, 1000 power 4. Next 5c2 1000 power 3. Next minus 5c3 1000 power 2. Next plus 5c4 1000 power 1. Next minus 5c5 answer is 1. Kadasi term enna 1. So this is your 1. Okay, again if we simplify this, we will get 1000 power 5. Correct? That is we have to put 3 zeros 5 times add panna 1 2 3 4 5. What is 5c1 answer? 5c1 answer is 5 only. Correct? So minus, I can write here, minus 5 into 3 zeros are 4 times, we have to add 1 2 3 4. Correct? Next plus what is 5c2 answer? 5c2 எப்படி calculate பண்ணணும்? Yes, 5c2 எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவோம்? 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. So இங்கே cancel பண்ண மாட்டோம். So answer is 10. Correct? So here what we have to write? Plus 10 1000 power 3 na 1 time 2 time 3 time. Correct? Minus 5c3 எப்படி calculate பண்ணலாம்? So 5c3 எப்படி calculate பண்ணலாம்? 5 4 3 by 1 2 3 3 3 cancel 2. Again 5 2s are 10 only. Correct? So minus 10 1000 power 2. Last term 5c4 வந்து 5 only. Okay, calculate பண்ணி பாருங்க. So minus 5 into, sorry, plus 5 into 1000. Last term is minus 1. Okay, now use your calculator to simplify this. Okay va? So simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா your final answer will be 99 500 999 0004 999. This is your final answer. Okay, so what is the question? Evaluate the following using binomial theorem. So using binomial theorem nu kuduthanaala we have to use the binomial theorem to expand this. Okay, is that clear? Now look at your first subdivision, 101 power 4. Now how can we simplify this 101? Because 101 power 4 direct we can't use binomial theorem. Appa how can you write that 101? So we can write this as 100 plus 1 the whole power 4. Correct? Now so if we take the solution, 100 plus 1 power 4, and directly we can use a formula nc0, because already we have written the formula, right? So what is 100 plus 1 the whole power 4? இங்கே பாருங்க, ஈஸியாக எப்படி ஃபார்முலா மக்கப்பே பண்ணாமல் எழுதணும்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு 100 போட்டுக்கணும். 100 power 4. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 4c1, இந்த 100 வந்து அப்படியே பவர் வந்து கம்மியாகிட்டே வரணும். 100 power 3 ப்ளஸ் 4c2 100 power 2. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 4c3 100 power 1 plus 4c4. எப்போவுமே இந்த நம்பரும் ஈக்குவலாக வர வரைக்கும் you have to write the formula. So இங்கே c4 வந்தனால we can stop with that. Okay, okay, this calculation you have to do and get the final answer. And your third question, find the fifth term in the expansion of x minus 2y the whole power 13. So question it is given here as x minus 2y the whole power 13. இது ஒரு binomial expansion. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் fifth term அதாவது expand பண்ணி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we have to take the fifth term. So this is your question. Now find the fifth term. So find the fifth term அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தனால we can use the term formula to find out the answer. So what is your term formula? T r plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Right? Is this your term formula? Okay, now here what is your compare this. Okay, this is your x, this is your a, this is your n, correct? So what is your x value is x. What is your a value? 2y. What is your n value? 13, correct? And here it is minus given, correct? So இது வந்து a வந்து minus 2y. Now tell me what is your x value? X. What is your a value? Minus 2y. What is your n value? N value is 13. Now can we substitute in the formula? So t r plus 1 equal to, and here we want to find which term. We have to find out fifth term. Okay, so to find fifth term, put r equal to 4. Now look at here, if you put r equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So we got the fifth term, correct? So we can substitute r is equal to 4. So t 4 plus 1 equal to 13. You can use the formula 13c4, correct? 13c4, and next x power n minus r. So 13 minus 4, and what is your a value? Minus 2y, correct? So minus 2y the whole power, what is your r value? 4. Okay, is that okay? Now again, t 4 plus 1 equal to 13c4. This is x power 13 4 pochna you will get 9, correct? Now minus 2 power 4 is 16. Y power 4 we can't simplify, so write as it is y power 4. Is that right? Minus 2 power 4 is 16. Now again if you simplify this, what is how can you simplify 13c4? 13 linde start panni 4 numbers descending order. So 13 12 11 10 by 1 2 3 4 into in the 16 into x power 9 y power 4. So cancel pannamna 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, correct? So 13 into 4 into 11 into 10 into 2, and if you use a calculator you will get the answer as 11,440. This one we can't do anything, so write as it is x power 9 y power 4. So this is your T5 answer. So what is your term 5 answer? 11,440 into x power 9 y power 4. Is that clear? Now your fourth question, and it is the term is given that 3x second subdivision. Fourth problem, second subdivision. So 3x plus x square by 2 whole power 8. What we want to find is middle term. Middle term we want to find. Okay, now what is the power here? 8. அப்போ டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும்? 9 டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும். In the beginning of this exercise we have seen 8 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதோட 1 ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9. So if we expand this, how many terms we will get? 9 terms. Okay, now let us get into the solution. Okay, here. What is your x value? 3x. What is your a value? X squared by 2. What is your n value? 8. Correct? Now, since what is your power here? N is given 8. So, since 8 equal to, n equal to 8 is even number. 8 is an even number, right? Therefore, the middle term is t n plus 1 by 2. This is your formula. Middle term is t n plus 1 by 2. Is that okay? Now, what is your actually this is not t n plus 1 by 2, t n by 2 plus 1. Again, one more time I'll write t n by 2 plus 1. This is a formula. Now, what is your n value? N equal to 8. Up 8 by 2 na 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, middle term is T5. Correct? Now you can use the term formula. So what is term formula? T r plus 1 equal to n c r x power n minus r a power r. Now we can substitute all this x value, a value, n value in the question formula. So this is t. We want to find term 5 now. So what is your r value? 4. So 4 plus 1 equal to substituting in the formula 8 c4 x power 8 la 4 pochina 4 and a power what is that? A power r. So a power 4. So that is 8c4. 3x power 4 split பண்ணி எடுத்தோம்னா 3 power 4 x power 4 and this will be x power 8 by 2 power 4. Again, if we simplify this, 8c4 this we can take it as 3 power 4 is 81 by 2 power 4 is 16 into x power 8 x power 4 இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா x power 12. So this is your final answer. Now take your first subdivision. Question is x plus 1 by x the whole power 11. What we want to find is middle term. So as like your previous problem, how can we start the problem? Now what is your x value? X value is x, a value is 1 by x, n equal to 11. Okay, and since n equal to 11, the middle, okay, the n equal to 11 is an odd number, right? Is odd. Therefore, the middle terms are, and if we have odd number, we have two middle terms. What are the two middle terms? T n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. That is implies t. What is n value? 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 2, 6. 11 plus 3, 14 by 2, 7. So t6, t7 are the middle terms. Correct? Now you have to find term 6 formula and term 7 term 6 answer and term 7 answer. Okay, now what is the general formula? T r plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Correct? This is your formula. When r is equal to 5, to get the sixth term you have to put r is equal to 5. Correct? To get T6. So T6 when r is equal to 5. Correct? So T 5 plus 1 is equal to n ஓட வேல்யூ 11 c5 x ஓட வேல்யூ xA தான் ஸோ x பவர் 11 minus 5 a ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by x the whole power 5 correct. Again if we simplify this 11 c5 x power 6 into 1 by x power 5 so இதுவும் cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா remaining will be 11 c5 x is your final answer. And similarly next என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் we have to get t7 so when r is equal to 6 எதுக்கு to get t7 so t 6 plus 1 equal to 11 c6 x power 11 minus 6 1 by x power 6 again if we simplify 11 c6 x power 5 into 1 by x power 6 so இதுவும் cancel ஆச்சு the remaining will be 11 c6 into 1 by x. Now use the formula 11 and 6 can we subtract that formula is ncr is equal to ncn minus r இந்த formula ஞாபகம் இருக்கா okay so 11 la 6 போச்சுனா 5 so again you can rewrite this as 11 c5 into 1 by x 11 c5 into 1 by x is your final answer. And your third subdivision 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole power 10. What is your x value? 2x square. What is your a value? Minus 3 by x cube. What is your n value? 10. So n is 10. 10 is an even number. So even number now what is the term? Middle term formula. T n by 2 plus 1. That is t 10 by 2 plus 1. What is 10 by 2 answer? 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So T6 is the middle term. Correct? Now you can use the term formula. TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Now to get T6 we have to put r equal to 5. Correct? So T 5 plus 1 equal to 10c5. What is your x value? 2x square whole power 10 la 5 pochna 5 and the last term will be minus 3 by x cube the whole power 5 இதை simplify பண்ணும் கரெக்டாக so how can we simplify 10c5 அப்படியே போட்டுக்கலாம் and 2 power 5 கரெக்டாக so 2 power 5 x power 5 2s are 10 கரெக்டாக next 3 power 5 5 is a even odd number so கண்டிப்பாக இந்த மைனஸ் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும் so minus we can take it outside 3 power 5 divided by correct 3 power 5 divided by x power 15 x power 15 now இதையும் cancel பண்ணா remaining will be 5 and your final answer will be minus 10 c5 and in the power ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கனால base multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம் so 3 2s are 6 power 5 by x power 5 is your final answer. And your fifth question, find the term independent of x in the expansion of. So what we are going to find out, independent term. So middle term now we have used the formula and term in the term வேணுமோ அந்த term ஓட formula we have used, right? So independent of x means x value irukadu, that will be constant, so we have to take x equal to 0, that is called independent of x. Okay, so here what we want to find, independent of x, independent of x. So let's see the solution now. Here what is your x value? X square. What is your a value? Minus 2 by 3x. What is your n value? 9. Now we can use a formula. What is TR plus 1 formula? NCR x power n minus r a power r. Now in the values எல்லாம் இதில் substitute பண்ணோம்னா okay, so TR plus 1 equal to 9 C R x power n minus r, so 9 minus r, a power என்ன minus 2 by 3x, a power r வந்து as it is. again இது நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம், 9cr x power 9 2s are 18 minus 2r, கரெக்டா? similarly இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம், minus 2 power r by 3 power r x power r, தனித்தனியாக எழுதுகிறோம். ஸோ 3 power r தனியாக, x power r தனியாக. similarly x power 19 தனியாக, 18 தனியாக, x power minus 2r தனியாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்கோம். is that okay? so after that again 9cr x power 18 minus 2r, கீழே ஒரு r இருக்கியா, அது மேலே வந்துச்சுன்னா மைனஸ் ஆராக மாறிடும், into minus 2 power r by 3 power r. okay, again if you write this 9cr x power 18 minus 3r, இது அப்படியே minus 2 power r by 3 power r, that's all. இப்போ நம்ம எல்லா x term-யும் தனியாக பிரித்து we have written that is we separated x term alone. now since the term is independent, the term is independent of x, ஓகேவா? the term is independent of x, கண்டிப்பாக இதோடைய வேல்யூ என்னவாக தான் இருக்கும், 0வாக தான் இருக்கும். 18 minus 3r equal to 0, so 3r equal to 18, so r is equal to 6, கரெக்டா? now 6 substitute பண்ணோம்னா என்ன வரும், t 6 plus 1 is equal to, இந்த இடத்துல substitute பண்ணோம்னா 9c6 x power 0, 6 3s are 18, 18 minus 18 0, minus 2 power minus 2 by 3 power 6, correct? now that is 9c6, இங்கே power ஈவனாக இருக்கனால this minus will go off, so 2 power 6 by 3 power 6 is the final answer. is that clear? now your third subdivision, same problem, third subdivision, and your question, it is given that 2x square plus 1 by x the whole power 12. is that okay? now tell me, what is the first step? we have to take x value, n value, a value, correct? so what is your x value, 2x square, what is your a value, 1 by x, what is your n value, 12. very good. now what we have to write, we have to take the what is that formula, term formula, correct? so t r plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r, correct? now we can substitute all those values, that is t r plus 1 is equal to என்னோட value 12, so 12cr 2x square whole power 12 minus r a power r, correct? again இது you simplify பண்ணிங்கன்னா 12cr இந்த 2 மட்டும் தனியாக எடுத்துலாம், because x term மட்டும் தானே நம்ம தனியாக வைக்கணும், right? so we can take this 2 power 12 minus r x power 24 minus 2r, இந்த x power r மேலே போச்சுன்னா minus r ஆகிடும். okay, again if we simplify this 12cr 2 power 12 minus r x power 24 minus 3r, that's all. x term மட்டும் தனியாக split பண்ணியாச்சு. next what is the next term? since the term is independent of x, independent of x, we can take 24 minus 3r equal to 0. so 3r equal to 24, that is r is equal to 8, correct? 8 3s are 24, r equal to 8, that's all. so therefore t 8 plus 1 equal to 12c8 2 power 12 minus 8 x power 0. So T9 is equal to 12C8 2 power 4. Correct? 2 power 4. Again, this simplify pannamna 12 la 8 pochna 4. Correct? So we can rewrite this 12C4 2 power 4. Again, simplify pannamna 12, 11, 10, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4 into 16. So okay, if you cancel all those things and simplify, you will get 7920 as your final answer. That's all today's session, and your homework is exercise 2.6, second problem first subdivision, fifth problem second subdivision, example 2.43 to 2.46. Thank you, students.